it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.
We are about to do our read alouds, and I just wanted to share what we're doing today. We're still reading from American History, the second book. We're almost done with this, and then I'll have to get the third one.
Wait, how many is that?
There's only 3. And then this has been one of my most favorite read alouds with the kids, Miracles on Maple Hill. I just grabbed this at a thrift store. I didn't really know anything about it or had never heard of it, but this is such an amazing story. It is so sweet. The characters are just so lovely. I highly recommend this book. And then I also wanted to share this book that I just finished. I got this at the thrift store too. I really love Lynn Austen. I've thrifted some of her other books, and our library has several, but they only have so many. So but I had not heard of this one, and it was pretty big, and it was a really good story. I really enjoyed it. It was set in the Civil War, and if you like Christian fiction, I think she's a really good author. She's well written, and sometimes I feel like Christian fiction isn't always that well written, even though I could still enjoy it, but I feel like she does a really good job. So it's called Fire by Night.
You know I'm here to stay every single day.
We are in another Orthodox fast right now. This one is shorter. It's only a couple weeks, but it's the Dormition fast of the Holy Theotokos, which just means that we are remembering the Mother of God's death. And this one is, I think, usually in August. But so it's lunchtime here, so it needs to be a fast-friendly meal. And I have a leftover vegan shepherd's pie that I made for dinner. And also I'm gonna make what I call strawberry lemonade. It's kind of like a smoothie blended drink, but it's frozen strawberries, honey or sugar, any sweetener that you like, lemon juice and water, and a pinch of salt, and it's pretty yummy.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be.
At lunch, I'm gonna let the kids watch this little video. I think I've shared them before. It's put out by Families of the World, and they follow a child from an urban family and a child from a rural family, and we really love them. They have all kinds of countries. Our library doesn't have all of them. I wish they did, because they're really well done and just like not overstimulating. They're very calming, and the kids really love them, even though we've seen them several times. We are back from the pool, and we've had a little rest, and I wanted to show you something that a dear friend gave me. She volunteers at the thrift store that I go to every week, and she got a new water bath canner, so she gave me her old one, and I am just so thankful, because for years I have wanted to try water bath canning, and thanks to Kathy, now I can. It has the rack in here, and she also gave me these accessories. And she also gave me these 2 like cookbooks, Home Preserving and When the Good Cook Gardens. So I can't wait to flip through these. But I am just so thankful for this. I was so blessed when she asked me if I could use it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I need to start dinner, and I hope that you have a wonderful and peaceful evening at your home with your family. Thanks for watching.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed.